Welcome to a Flash tutorial. I'm calling it Jigsaw Puzzle Drag, Drop, and Bounce. It's someone tried to do a tutorial, Flash CS5, tutorial 38, was a locking jigsaw puzzle. It was a part 2, and that's what I have on my computer. And if I test that, when I bring the pieces in and they lock in place, what they want is if I put a piece not in the right place, that the piece bounces back. It's not a difficult thing to do, so we'll do that. The first thing we need to do is make the stage small enough so I can see all the pieces. Unlock the layer that contains the pieces and click on them one at a time. Click on it, open the properties panel, and right here is the coordinate. And even though it's a minus coordinate, that means it's off the stage. So write down the coordinates for that piece, this X coordinate and Y coordinate. Then click on and make sure it's piece 1. Then I'm on piece 2, mark down its X and Y coordinates. Now yours are going to be different than mine. Then look at piece 3, mark down these, and make sure if it's a minus, you got the minus sign. And finally this one here. So you have all those coordinates marked down for the 4 pieces in my case. Lock that layer and open the actions panel. Come down to where piece 1, right here. This is piece 1, where I do the stop part and where I do the testing of the piece. So right here we have where piece 1 is being tested to see if it's been hit. Copy those. Go like this, like that. Right click, copy that. Oop, not copy. Copy that. Click at the end here. Couple enters. In here, type else. E-L-S-E, turns purple. Enter. Open curly bracket, enter, and a closed curly bracket should come. If not, put it in. Right click, paste in those coordinates. Now here for the X of piece 1, type in the coordinate that you wrote down. In my case was minus 39.45. There's my Y coordinate right here. Mine was 84. Now come up here to where you have this stop drag. Grab this piece right here, this closed curly bracket, right click, cut it, and drag it down to here, put an enter, and paste it. So let's test that out. Control, test movie, test. Number 2, if I get it wrong, doesn't jump back. Number 1 jumps back. I'll do one more with you, and I think that should be enough. I'm going down to piece 2 now, where I have the if for the target. Copy that. Click here. Couple enters. Else, E-L-S-E. Enter. Open curly bracket. Enter. And then the closed curly bracket comes in. Paste it in. Change this to the coordinates that I wrote down. In my case, this is going to be 660.3, and my Y coordinate was 78.1. And also we got to come up here, and this is important. If you don't take this, the piece will just jump back and forth. So cut this, bring it down, a couple enters, paste it in, and now both my pieces 1 and 2 should, so this one wrong stays here, this one wrong stays here, this one if it's wrong it bounces back, if it's right it stays, this one if it's wrong it bounces back, and if it's right it stays. So I think you should be able to do those next two. Hope you learned something from this short tutorial, and I hope you use what you learned.